Welcome back to Pro Education. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily and efficiently make your text pop in Canva. The first step is to head over to the app section and click on apps. After clicking on apps, just type in Type Extrude as you can see on my search bar. After typing in Type Extrude, you will see this green app or this green icon of this app. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, just go ahead and click on open. After clicking on open, this app will be added to your bar, to your Canva bar right here. And thus you can use it to make your text pop. As you can see now, it is opening, it is loading all the fonts that you will use when making your text pop. All right. Now here is where we make our text pop. If this is your main text and you have chosen the font of your decision or of your choice, you can come and choose any font here. Let's say you want this one. Okay. And you're satisfied with that font, just click back and then come here, and now this is where we choose. So as you can see, here is our word. All right. Okay, so the way Type Extrude works is that when you type, you may wonder why when you write the main text it is not appearing in the main Canva page right here. That is because you design your word right here, and then when you're done, you click add to design. So let me show you. So let's say this is our word today. Okay, you have selected the name with the font. So this is how you make your text pop. You come over here, you have a line height. You can come and change it. As you can see, I've increased. Okay. And then when you have border width, that is not a must to change. So just, you can also increase it. And you can also increase the angle. Now the angle is what makes the text pop. As you can see, there's the angle. You can make it look like that. All right. As you can see, my text is changing. Okay. And the length. You can make the length of the pop-up to be longer or shorter. As you can see, it is longer like that or shorter. If I want the pop to face downwards, as you can see, I can come and change and it will face down. All right. If I want the border width to be not that big or thick, you can just come and lower it like that and lower it. Okay. And I can also lower the line height. As you can see, I've lowered it. All right. Like that. And when you're done and satisfied, just come and click on add to design right here. After clicking add to design, you will see that our word has been added successfully to our Canva page. Okay. And if you're not satisfied, you can come and just modify it. Okay. You can come and lower the settings. If you find that it's not according to your specification, you can just come and alter it and also change the color of the pop-up. So you can come and make it any color that you want. Okay, you can change the color of the word to any color that you want. All right, like that. You can change anything, the length, everything. So you just come and toggle this and until you find it appealing to you. And when you are done, just click update elements. As you can see, it will be updated. And that is how you make your text pop in Canva. All right. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. And yeah, before you end, when you are done, just come and click on share and then come and click on download, and then make sure the setting is PNG or JPEG. As you can see, either of the two options. And then and then download. Okay, make sure it is PNG or JPEG, and when you are done, just come and click on download. And that is it. You have successfully made your text pop in Canva. Thank you for watching and good luck.